As a leader, are you a creator or are you a victim? I'm Greg Schenkel, president of Unique Training and Development and Frontline Leadership Systems. And what I've noticed is that some leaders play the victim card while other leaders create a future that is very magnetic and causes people to want to follow them. So you can either be that creator, that entrepreneurial leader within your organization, or you can play the role of victim, constantly blaming other departments or the customer or maybe your employees on your team. Now, if you are a complainer, that is, you're always telling people what's wrong in the department, you're blame storming, you're telling other departments that they're screwing up, you're blaming the other shift for why things are left messy, you're blaming the customer for making you work longer hours, or you're blaming your suppliers for poor materials, or even worse yet, you're blaming the employees on your team for not hitting the numbers. You are just causing this negative spiral in your team. It's not helping you move things forward. It just tends to make everyone feel like there's no hope going forward. On the other hand, if you're a creator, right? A creator, like I'm talking about a creative person here. You're creating a future, a picture in your mind about how you'd like your team to perform in the future. What is it that you want to see? Right? Yeah, you've got some problems to deal with, but don't be victimized by the problems. Instead, use them to feed your creative vision. As you move people towards this better future and this vision, they're going to be captivated by the successful path that you're leading them on. Right? You end up losing respect when you complain with your team and commiserate with them. So don't get caught into that negative spiral. Decide what it is that you can do, that you will do, and then move your team forward towards doing it. So no more victimization, no more complaining about the circumstances. Decide for yourself where you want your team to go and start leading them towards it. Right? It'll create better outcomes for your company. It'll make your job as leader less stressful and more satisfying. So let's be creators and not be victims. And once you've figured out how to take a more positive approach to leading your department forward, you're going to want to work on some of your other leadership skills and abilities. And of course, that could be in the form of having us on site to deliver one of our engaging workshops, or perhaps enrolling in one of our public workshops, or just buying some of our books and materials. They're all there to help you on your leadership journey. And you can find them all at uniquedevelopment.com.